This 2022 Forest River Forester 2401T is a Class A RV. It is located in Surprise, Arizona, 85378 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Surprise. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, Murphy bed, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2022 Forest River Forester 2401T is built on a Mercedes-Benz chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.